versus Timrift. Big Clout Ben. Biggest of clouts.
Round one, fight!
Hunter, K38, what's going on, bro? You can punish that string. Don't be disappointed, Pony. You did fine. You just gotta clean it up. That's all. Watch the VOD, watch the YouTube video, bro. Just figure out what you did wrong and come back stronger next time, bro. Don't worry about it. It's just a game at the end of the day. The neutral right now, though. The back throw. Uh-oh, the flawless block on the back one. That's actually a full combo punishable, but he can't do the rest of the string.
You won't be missed.
Round two, fight!
Putting Ben in the corner, but he just rolls right out of there. Oh, the down two. And he broke away, and he went into the unsafe spear. Don't want to do that. Be careful. Thought he was going to break. Oh, and he did. This is a close first game. Take my logs, bro. My flaming logs. The neutral right now. Oh no, can't trade like that. Oh, he could have done. Went straight into fatal. Now he's a dead man. He doesn't have bar though. Nice block on the overhead, and he does a crushing blow just to make sure he was dead. 1-0. KingKazma. It's not just a sprinkle. It's a fucking thunderstorm. Wake up, Tim. Thought this was gonna be easy? It's not gonna be easy, bro.
Scorpion, rain. Shirara, you fire garden.
Trim's biggest fans in the chat.
Round one, fight!
Not getting staggered, but he gets hit by the back 2-1. Nice challenge. Oh no, you can't be doing that out here. No punish though. I mean, he punishes it, but doesn't do the right one. Nice blocks. Oh, that's +7. Get hit by this 4-2-4 every time. Nice conversion. Oh my god. Oh, no punish on the low side. Actually, unreactable online. Ben, KingKazma just playing patient. Oh man. He did jump forward into. You wanna reversal poke or throw? Yeah, get down 2.
I've beaten deadlier.
Round 2, fight.
Oh my. Tim! Waking up! Big 28 from Ben. The stagger forward 2 gets checked. Oh, nice challenge. Back 2-1. Gets opened up. The 4-2-4 again. The unblockable. Oh my god, he throws that down every time. You gotta be careful. Nice block. He actually blocks the 4-2-4 now. Oh.
Enough treachery.
You can challenge him out of the Hydro Blast when he comes down. You don't have to hold it every time. But he gets caught. And in the corner, back 2-1.
Final round, fight.
Ben just sitting full screen comfortably. Scorpion can't teleport. You gotta be wary throwing projectiles just like that, but he does interactable. Oh no. It's gonna hurt. Ouch. Doesn't jump. Keeps him on the ground. 24%.
Is that all?
Oh, nice block. Oh my god, this pressure.
Finish him.
I have no idea. No idea, DZ.
Scorpion, rain. Shirai Ryu Fire Garden.
Duo, right?
Round 1, fight.
Jimmy Turner. The down 3. Splash your feet. Big whip. Oh no. Ouch. And he doesn't extend the combo. No conversion. Tim getting bullied in the corner right now. Doesn't cancel the teleport because he can't. He spent his bar.
You're done.
Nice block. Man, Rain moved so quickly towards him. He was pushed away and he got that space back immediately. Just by dashing. Oh my god. That mix. With the
Today
tidal
you
wave.
die.
Round 2, fight.
Two one is plus. That's plus 7. 2-1-2. You don't have to hold 2-1-2 though. You can hit him out of it. There's a gap. Giant gap. Big Welly. What's up, dude? Are you streaming? One three into tidal wave. He can do 1-3-4, 1-3 tidal wave, 1-3-3. Oh, no blocks again on the 4-2-4. Plus, black 3. He's trying to pull a fast one on Ben, but Ben is awake right now. Thought he could teleport into, or interactable into teleport. A cat is shit. Yeah, what he said. 3-0. King Cosma. King Clout. The biggest clout around. If there was a clout prince, a clout king, it would be Ben. He would have just a hat that says clout on it. And that's what he would wear. To tell everyone that he is the king.
Shang Tsung's island ruins.
He's going to have unimaginable clout. Let's go, Ben.
Round 1, fight.
Put the FL Studio kit. Oh, didn't make beats, bro? Block on the overhead. That is a punishable string. Forward 4-2-3. It's like -9, -8. Back one in the tidal wave. The palm. The hit confirmed that wasn't there. 93,000 files.
Again.
Jesus.
Round 2, fight.
Nice reaction on the projectile, but just 4-3-2. Back 2-1-2. The first time he's done that in a block string, I think. You can't boss block that string. The staggers. The pressure from KingKazma right now. Oh my god, the respect. Patient King, appreciate the follow, bro. I want to see you out here one of these days. Get off Street Fighter. Oh no. Tim on his last legs right now. It's gonna be about the 4-0 KingKazma. You been retired? Oh, I thought you played Street Fighter 5. I swear somebody said you just played that game. Or you just play for fun. 4-0 right now. KingKazma. Hey, dude. You're probably better off. Well, I don't know. I stopped playing Street Fighter 5 like 3 years ago. Maybe it's been even longer than that. It's been out for a while.
Scorpion, rain.
Yeah, I played Street Fighter 5 when it first came out for like 2 years. And then I stopped playing. And I played it like on and off, like Urian and G for a while. That game's fun when it wants to be. Would you do something cool? Champ's on the bed behind me. Young saying, bro, I think he had the hypest set of the night, honestly. If you missed it, you should watch it. I'm gonna put it on YouTube as well. I'm gonna put every set on YouTube, but yeah, definitely watch it. Yeah, bro. Follow me on Twitter, bro, if you haven't yet. And he'll be in this next week. Oh, yeah, CB Killtron? Nice. Bro. Someone ban Sand. Saying, can you just ban yourself for like 10 seconds? That'd be great. Just delete your Twitch. Patient, bro. I think everyone else that he plays tells him that, and he just doesn't listen. Every time you tell him that, he drinks some Modelo. Tim, taking this round against Ben.
Round 2, fight.
Nice blocks. I haven't seen one flawless block on Forward 4-2 from KingKazma. And it's already been 4 games. Nice combo. Oh, he doesn't use the crushing blow. He tries to stagger stand 2 into a throw, but too far away. Reverse 5-0? Hold on. That happened. Oh. He's getting bullied in the corner right now. Cannot get out. He cannot get out. He's respecting. Oh my god. He hit him with the punch, but he was not ready. He puts him in the corner, though. Ben has bar to roll, but he does nothing because Tim whips the throw. Oh, no, interactable. But what? Stan wanted an Argus plunge. Unfortunate. Oh, my God. Hold on, wait. He can up 3. He can up 3. Is he going to do it? Nope, he rolls backwards. Oh.
Today you
I think he tried to reverse the teleport right there.
Final round, fight.
Come on, Tim, win a game.
Do it!
Win, Tim! For your fans!
Do it!
For everyone around the world!
Do it!
Win this game! Oh my god, this is the close. Game number 5. Is Tim gonna take the 2-1-2 into back 3? Okay. A back throw and a crushing blow. You hate to see it. Tim! Oh, nice. Just gets walk up throw. No fear. Oh, what? Huh? The opties. He doesn't do the. He doesn't spin the fatal. Is he gonna die though? Wait. Oh my god! Ben losing this game. You thought it was a 5-0?
Scorpion wins.
You thought it was a 5-0, Ben? You thought you would get off that easy? Tim! Big Timmy Turner! If you win one more time, you did better than your pops, bro. If you win one more time, Chubby has to get the sub. Chubby has to get the sub if Tim wins one more game. Do it, Chubby. Do it, bro. Just do it.
Do it!
Do it, Tim. Do you know who you're beating right now? The biggest clout in the game. To ever live. Oh no. He's trying to be cute out here, the hydroplane. Plus. Oh man, I felt a down 2 coming right there. For some reason. Oh my god, he's trying to pull a fast one. Spending all of his bar. He has no resource. Oh my. He's sliding everywhere. It's like a slip and slide. Oh my god. He's getting smothered. Ben's pissed. You pissed him off. What is he doing? Back 2-1. Back 2-1 hydroplane. Back 2-1. Back 2-1 hydroblast. Back 2-1. Back 2 hydroplane. Back 2. Back 2-1. Oh my. It's going crazy. Tim is pissed. Hold on. Tim is looking good this round. +7. Aye. Back throw. Oh no. Nice hit confirmed from Tim. And 2. Is he gonna kill him? Yes, he does. Oh my god. 40%. What?
Final round. Fight.
Oh, gets it with the spear. Hold on, Tim turned it up now. He turned it up. He has a read on this range. Oh my god, what a good punish that was. Flawless block on the spear into a forward 2 Hydro Blast. Nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. He just did that on you, bro. Okay. Well, it's over, guys. Tim did. Whoop! He woke him! No! Oh, no flawless block. That's dead Tim. GG. 5-1. Hey, you know what, Tim? Hey, let me tell you something. At least it wasn't a 5-0. Like someone I know. GG's. Shake my hand. Fist bump. Flip him off. Whatever. GG's. And Tim, I'm sorry to do this to you, bro. I had to slash you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.